Okay, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down, non-stop down. Last night, Japan raised rates, broke, 20-year trend or however long it was. So what does that mean? So here's what I believe it means. Now remember, nothing does what it's supposed to do. So hold on a sec. Okay. So here's what I believe it means. So if Japan raises rates, that means as people raise rates, so as the U.S. raise rates, so let's say a guy named Tom, we'll just say a guy named Tom, had $100,000, and he's playing stocks in the U.S., and the U.S. starts raising rates, and he says, well, the bank was paying me nothing, now it's paying me 4%. I'm going to put my money at 4%, and I'm not going to trade stocks, and I'm not going to do anything, right? So now you go to Japan, right? And their rate was really low, so almost zero, forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. Now they're starting to break the range, so it's supposed to be from negative 50 to 50 now, okay? So they would always put their money in U.S. treasuries, big holder of treasuries. So does that slow down now? Does that slow down or does it stop? So that means we lose a buyer of treasuries? Is that possible? Probable, right? Don't know. But that's what it means. So less buyer of treasuries, so they come down, right? If they come down, rates go up. Very interesting, right? In theory. Now, who knows what happens? What we know is SPX was down 49 from what I seen last night. Somewhere in there. So, do we cave? I don't know. Okay? So that's what we need to know. That's what we need to find out. Okay? And that's what we'll see what happens today. So do we go way down? Tesla, Elon, is he going to leave? Who knows? No idea. I think that's come and gone. If Tesla breaks under 141, it's going to go lower, it's going to go lower. mRNA, what a move yesterday. Opened way up and dropped 20. So now it's probably done till the move gets back near 200. So till then, you want to just wait. But today, if you look, SPX is down 6. You look, MDB is lower, Moderna is lower, Now is lower, Baba is lower, Netflix is starting to crater. The Netflix news was such bullshit. Very, very rarely, I mean, things that piss me off is when the market gets so stupid. Think about it. So stupid. Unbelievable. Think about it. We like how our rollout went, but you had to give back money. It was a failure. Oh, we like it. And dumb people bought it. That thing was going to collapse, and it's still going to collapse. I mean, it didn't work. And here's the thing. Why would you get a service when you only get certain content? Just doesn't make any sense to me at all. Just doesn't make any sense at all. But a lot of stuff doesn't make sense. And it keeps happening. Okay, so that's what I have. That's all I have. Then we see. But Netflix should go lower. And Apple is broke. Apple broke. Now, someone made a comment on TV yesterday. Very simple comment. As people lose their jobs, do people go buy $1,000 iPhones? Well, the first thing you stop are the bigger purchases. Now, doesn't mean you don't get one. It just means you don't get one faster. Unless your phone is broke or you lost it, you don't need to go get the 14 if you have the 13 or the 12 or the 11. They still work perfectly fine. You don't need the better camera. Yeah, you like it. And you're going to say, well, I need it. Okay, you may need it. But 80 more million people don't need it, right? Air India just bought a bunch of jets, 500 planes from Boeing. I see that. But the stock's only up 1. Why is it not up 10? That's a problem. Now, it may run, but the last time I got a 200 plane order, it opened up 5 and it went negative. So who knows? Don't know. Don't know. Thanks, Vic. Interesting. Okay? That's what we know. That's what's going to happen. So, but watch Apple. Apple looks broken. And this 133 was a cliff. So now it looks like 126. At 126, it completely breaks. Look at Adobe. So we had Adobe puts on earnings, and they guided down just a little bit, but it doesn't matter. If you guide down, means you have no growth, right? And they took it up 15 points. Those people all got smoked. They just got smoked because this is going to 280. I mean, it's amazing the comments people are making on TV that have no clue. They have no clue. They had a really good quarter. You had a really good quarter, and you're guiding lower. Interesting. Okay. That's what I know. Interesting. Let me tell you, we could easily be down 30, and if we're down another 20 pre-market, let's go look at what our options should be. I would think that's not right. What did I do wrong? I mean, I think they should probably be about 19 or 20. Those ones we got. Interesting, right? So not bad. Let's see what happens. We're like 20 right off the bat. Now I'm buying, guys. I'm buying very small because I'm going to be gone and just doing some other stuff. Okay. So that's what we know. Okay. Okay. Let's get started. Okay. Good morning, everybody. 12:20. 5 days till Christmas. Have you done your shopping? Okay. SPX 3800 round number. 3781, 3752. Big number. Okay. Now people ES. The ES is 3834 is a big number. Obviously 3800 round number on ES. Okay. Now it looks like underneath there, all the way to 3700 would be a bottom. Would probably be very strong support. Okay. But we typically do SPX as ES levels here and there once they're very, very strong. Okay. Avago, so chips are low. So Avago 130, 536, 531, 551 up. Nvidia's breaking back down. It's down 20. It's back down. 151 next. 151, 142. Adobe 326, 321. Lam Research 431. Big number. Big number. Then all the way to 419. 451 better. Goldman Sachs 341, 319. Why is this thing up at all? You're going to tell me you're going to lay off people? That means your business is going to shit. You're telling me you're going to give everybody less bonuses. That means your business is going to shit. What's good about it? What's good about it? Doesn't make any sense. Okay? Apple, breaky, 130, round number, 129, 126. Amazon, 83. Amazon, 83. Wow. Can get all the way to 69. 69 times 2 is 1,300. Wow. Amazon to 1,300. Can you imagine that? Wow. Meta, 109, 105. Microsoft trying to break again. 231 all the way down to 216 if it breaks. 251. Snowman, 138 up, 136 down, tight range, then 131. Netflix just tanked. I don't know why Netflix tanked, but it should tank. There's no particular reason why anybody would think that Netflix would be better when the company says we're happy with how we're doing. It just doesn't make any sense. The stock deserves to be at 250 max into earnings. Okay? This one can completely collapse today. Baba, it doesn't break up. Everybody says China's good, China. It doesn't break up. You got 96, way out there. If it gets to 96, we'll look at it again. Just wait. Okay? Boeing. You get a 500 plane order and you're up $1. Interesting. What else is there to say? NOW finally breaking lower, 371, 331. Wow, way down there. MDB, 187, 181. Tesla, 146, 141, 129. Deere, 429, 424. Moderna, interesting, 194. Enphase, as oil comes lower. Now, these are going up. Remember, this new bill goes into play on the 1st, so people can order more of this stuff, and they get some credits for energy credits. So play into next year, but use next year's if you're going to do them. Okay? First Solar, 151, 142. Has moved a lot. That's what we know. SPX is what our SPX is. They're 940. Nice. We're up 2 points. Nice. Decent. That's what we know. Netflix, okay. Netflix, subscribers to Netflix's ad-supported tier accounted for 9% of new signups. Wall Street Journal says new and returning customers accounted for 57% of Netflix's ad-supported subscribers. Now I'm confused here. 57% new or returning subscribers accounted for 57%. Well, they just started it. So why wouldn't it be 100%? Because it's been more than a month, maybe? Doesn't make any sense. The news looks like it's going to collapse it. Look at it. Look at it go. Should have happened last week. What scum? The company is scum when they do stuff like this. And people just don't understand. The news is the news. The news is the news. Full page switch to advertising. I understand that. But why would you do that? That means they're going to lose a lot of money. That means they're in trouble. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.